Well, good morning, and welcome back to the Little Do Homestead. It's still dark enough that the automatic chicken doors haven't opened up yet, so thought I'd step in here and do a quick June update on the chickens. Good morning, Mr. Rooster. As you can tell, we have several chickens roosting out here in the run. Down here on the end, I notice there's a little pair of bantams, a little rooster and a hen. I want to check into the main coop, see if anybody's in here today. I haven't seen Mr. Red yet. Well, there he is. He's hanging out with a couple chicks in here. Morning, Mr. Red. Nobody's sleeping in the egg box, so that's good. I want to step over to the Bantam's coop. If you remember, that's where I put two broody hens last time. I stuck the little Bantam hen in a small pet taxi and the big hen in a larger taxi. There she is, the little one. And there's the big one. If they're going to hatch out eggs, they ought to happen in the next 3 or 4 days. We'll keep an eye on those girls. Well, you can hear the automatic chicken door coming open. Those chickens are going to be in a big hurry to get out of the run. They can't wait to get out in the yard and the woods and start foraging for something delicious to eat today. That little Bantam rooster, he's awful feisty. He might be small, but he's got a big heart. You notice how he chases off old Red all the time.
It's always important to be sure all of your animals have plenty of fresh drinking water. It's only the end of June, but temperatures expected to be in the low to mid 90s all week. I'm sure to top off these drinkers several times a day if they need it. Let's do another check on those broody hens real quick. It's okay. Uh-oh. She got a broken egg in there.
I'm guessing if that was a fertile egg, there should have been a little baby chick in it by now since the eggs are almost due to hatch. Guess I'll get me a paper towel or something and try to clean up a little bit of that mess.
I got hens looking for empty nest boxes. They're doing the old egg song. They've got their favorite nest boxes and they don't like it if somebody else is in there.
Well, thank you. You know, you always get that one zucchini or that one squash that it's in disguise till it gets about 18 inches long, and then it's way too big for you to eat. Mo chickens sure like it, though. They like them seeds. Chick, 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 chick. I like to throw a little bit of scratch in the compost pile once in a while. That'll encourage them chickens to get in there and work it over. Them chickens sure do like having dirt baths. I guess that's one way they keep the bugs and parasites off themselves. Well, it's getting hot, and I got somewhere to be if you get the hint. Well, I'd just like to say Happy Father's Day to everyone, and I'll catch y'all next time here at the It'll Do Homestead. Have a good day.